Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you earn lives in Candy Crush Saga. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Candy Crush Saga application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and go ahead and log into your account. After logging into your account, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the game where you can see all of your progress. Here you can see the pages that you can open up, such as the map, you can see events, the shop, and so on. And here you can see all the levels that you're playing. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we have spent all of our lives. As you can see, currently we have 5 lives, so you have to go ahead and spend them all, guys. So after spending all of your lives, now we can go ahead and earn more and replenish them. So guys, how do we earn more lives if we are at 0? Well guys, there is a trick that you can do on your mobile phone. Go ahead and exit out the Candy Crush application and open up the settings on your mobile phone. So guys, open up the settings, and in settings guys, now search for the clock option on your mobile phone. So you want to go ahead and search for time or clock or something like that. As you can see, here is time. You can go ahead and click on time zone, and then you can go ahead and change your time zone, guys. So as you can see, currently I am using a network provided time. So what you can do guys is turn this off, and you can change the time some of hours into the future or into the past, but I suggest going into the future. So just change the time to tomorrow's day, and after changing the time to tomorrow guys, go back to the official application, open up Candy Crush, and you will now have replenished your lives and you'll be able to play again normally. So yeah guys, basically that is it, how you do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.